Hey, this is Gina from WTI. Are you looking to spice up your culinary experiences? Well, I feel like you haven't truly lived until you've had ghee and roasted vegetables or meat. And this spring sunrise ghee is so yummy and creamy. I know that it came from happy cows that are grass-fed and just loving life. So wait, isn't ghee just butter? No, it's actually clarified butter. And to me, it has a more complex flavor profile than butter. So what exactly is clarified butter? Well, that's when the casein protein has been removed and it just leaves the butter fat. And that butter fat is fat soluble and it has vitamins A, D, and K in it. A lot of times people tolerate that better than just having butter. Now, I would never do this with butter, but I can actually eat this straight from the spoon because it just tastes and it smells so scrumptious. I really love cooking with this ghee. It has a high smoke point of 485 degrees, which means that you can use it in the oven or for frying, sauteing, just anything that you would use butter for, this is gonna do it better. I'm very happy with this ghee from Spring Sunrise, and I appreciate how they have a commitment to sustainability, which makes me want to use their products even more. And that's my point of view.